Okay, what's going on, everyone? Mason back here again with another video, and today my mind's a little bit blown by this new Photoshop beta, and I thought I would just hop on here and show you, if you're a wedding photographer or videographer or just like anyone that does anything to do with photos, how this works and where it might come in useful for you. Yeah, just it's blowing my mind. I have to show you, okay? So let's hop on here and I will kind of show you the update and how it works. I also just wanted to say thanks so much for everyone that's subscribed. We're at about 4,000 subscribers right now, which is insane, blowing my mind. If you are someone new to the channel and you like this content, please consider hitting subscribe, like the video, and that's it from me right now. So we're going to jump over to the computer screen here, and I'm going to show you how it works, okay? Let's go. Okay, so let's jump into it. So the first thing you need to do is go to your Creative Cloud here, and you just need to go find the beta, which is under beta apps, and just hit download there, and then it will download to your desktop the same way the actual Photoshop app downloaded originally. Okay, so this is the first example that I kind of want to go over and just show how powerful this tool is and how it's going to help anyone that's in this situation. So you can see the two white like border lines on the outside of this photo. I don't really love it because it cuts off the couch. Kind of looks like it just missed frame here or whatever. So all I literally need to do is come up to this rectangular marquee tool here that you can see, click it, and basically all you want to do is you want to make sure that when you make this rectangle here, you're getting a little bit of the original photo, and then you're carrying it over to the blank section. So you can see I'm basically going to go right here and then just slide to the edge. And all you need to do is hit Generative Fill and generate. In 2 seconds here, you're going to have a completed photo. And if it doesn't give you the best option right away, it's going to give you 3 alternative options. That's insane. So I can go through now and just click the 3 options here and see, like, that is nuts. Which one looks the best? So I'm going to go back. I'm going to go to this one. I think this one looks basically like that was there. And then I'm going to do the exact same thing to the other side. So where this would come in super handy is, say you need a really wide shot for a website or something like that, where, you know, you might have shot a photo in the wrong like portrait mode or something like that, and you want to extend it. This is where this tool is going to save you so much time and just give you way better options for what you can use. Like, that is nuts. So this one I'm not too crazy about right away, but let's look at the second option. That would work. That looks real. Whoa. So she got to make sure, because that just made a cat face in it. So yeah, I would probably regenerate that one again just to try and get some other options, because that one didn't work as well. So I overhyped it a little bit and it gave us this crazy cat face in it. It must think that like furry pillow is a cat. This is where like AI definitely can have some issues, but I mean, the fact that you can just keep generating it, it's gonna give you. So now it gave us a dog, and now it gave us the couch. So there you go. Like, that's a great one. That one would work perfectly fine. I think it makes the couch look a little bit off proper scale, but that one right there, that honestly passes as if I shot that. So that's really, really good. Okay, so here's another shot. I was very, very tight to the bride and groom here, you can see, and I don't know, I kind of want to do something different over this side. I want to pretend that maybe we didn't shoot that with a field on the background. So here's where the prompts come in. Let me type in waterfall epic background. Let's see if that works. So type that in. This is where you can kind of get a little bit wild with your photos. I mean, at the end of the day, you probably don't want to fake what you're shooting in your wedding photos. But it is an option that you can do. And I would honestly look out for photographers in the future that are going to be doing something like this. Okay, so that just gave us a water, like, kind of pond look. There's a random tree, but I mean, that literally looks like I shot that there with whatever it is. Okay, so I don't love these. I'm not crazy about them. So we're gonna put another prompt in here. So I'm just gonna type in waterfall. I'm just gonna type in waterfall. That's it. Hit generate and let's see what happens. So yeah, it'll just take a couple of seconds here, but like, you can see how powerful this is, and you can see how much this is going to allow you to try different things and create different things. Like, look at that. That is crazy. Oh my goodness. Like, that honestly looks, that first one looks real. I would believe that right there. And then I would just come over here, take this little sliver, and then just hit generative fill and generate that. And then it's going to just make it look like the other side is probably trees again. That is crazy. I mean, I can see a little bit of a blur line where it kind of attached itself here, right along the edge. But realistically, I've never seen anything that is like that cool. I love that. That's awesome. So this is going to be a super powerful. And there you go. Look at now the photo's done. I have this shot that looks like I shot an absolutely wide shot. Here's another really, really cool thing you can do with it. So if I actually just take this image and scale it, it kind of is fidgety yet just because it's a beta, but scale it down. So I might not get the proper stuff set up here, but let's just go center here. So now we have it scaled down completely, and I want to make this a really, really wide photo and extend everything. So basically I'm going to come across here and go up. And watch this. It's going to try and generate his hairline, which is insane. Okay. Come on. Like that is nuts. And we can do the rest of the image too here. So I'm going to just scale down here, grab a bunch of the bottom section, and then just hit generative fill. Okay, so there's the final one. So you can see like from this to this is what we have. That is crazy how accurate that is. Like that's nuts. Okay, let's jump onto another one here quick. Okay, so boom, there's one side done. That is so crazy. It extended the, oh my God. Look at it, just took that golf sand pit and just extended it and made it look, that's crazy. I'm blown away by this. Okay, same thing with the other side. Blown away. Okay, and here is where things can get really, really cool, really complicated, but I mean, you could add in some awesome stuff. So I'm just going to take the lasso tool. I'm just going to do a little circle here, and I'm going to just type it in hot air balloon. Oh, did I spell it wrong? Yes, I did. Hot air balloon. Look at this. Oh my goodness. I think the second one might be the best one because it looks blurred out, like it's got motion blur. That is crazy. Oh my goodness. You can do anything with this. Okay, so this was our original photo, and this is what we ended up with. Crazy. Literally crazy. Obviously, I went above and beyond on this one and did some wild stuff, but you can see where you could go with it. Okay, one more here. Okay, so this is the one thing that I found right away. I was like, this is going to change everything for me. So as a wedding videographer, sometimes what I've been doing on the day of is instead of taking stills from video clips, I've been just shooting a quick photo. And so I took this photo, and it was a portrait kind of shot, right? Like vertical, not landscape. And then after, I was like, well, I can't use this for my thumbnail for YouTube because it's obviously not in the right perspective. But this is where you can literally just come into your photo. Let me just make sure I got it clicked here and just go like what I was saying and extend. Look at how massive that side is that it has to fill. And I'm just going to generate. Like, I know this isn't exactly what you would want to go for, but it definitely, okay, that is like, I believe that. Right there, I believe that shot. That's crazy. Okay, let's try the other side too. Now we're going to have a massive thumbnail for YouTube. Like, that is crazy. Oh my goodness. Obviously, anyone that's been to this bridge in the area is going to know that that's not... Wow, I mean, it kind of looks like that. Oh my goodness. Like, that's pretty bang on. I would just go with that one. Now I have a full-size shot for a thumbnail, and I just made a photo that was only shot for portrait type of photo become a thumbnail for YouTube. So as a videographer, that is a game changer for me. A massive game changer. Let's go in here. Let's just say, pretend that, you know what? Let's go in here. Let's put this sign back in. And let's say I was shooting this for the venue and I didn't want to have the couple in for some reason. So I can just hit generate, and it should remove the couple and complete the tree line behind them, the road. Oh my goodness. Like, that is spotless. Okay, let's go in here. Let's try something else here. Let's say I want to go in here and I want to change this tree line to fall color. So I'm just going to go get all these trees. I'm going to type in tree line in background to fall colors. Hit enter. Like, what? That is nuts. Look at these options. Like, I can't believe that is real. Well, it's not real, but I can't believe that this is real that they have now. Okay, so this photo, let's go back to what we started at, that, and this is what we have now. Crazy. Just crazy. It's so crazy to see how far this has come. And like, if you're doing anything with photography now, like even if you're like a landscape photographer, like this for a landscape photographer with the color changes, if you're a I don't know, someone that shoots like car photos or something like that, there's so many things you could do. Like I could take a photo of a car and add in like smoke underneath, and it would just quickly make a fake smoke look or something like that. There's so many different things you could do to this. It's actually pretty insane, and we're just now kind of seeing the tip of the iceberg of what you can do with this AI. For the good or bad, I guess, for photography and weddings, I mean, I think this is going to open the door to a lot of photographers that are just starting out to make epic photos when maybe they've only shot small banquet hall types of weddings, when they just step outside to a cityscape and then make me a background of this epic I don't know, mountainside or something like that. It's kind of crazy to think of what people are going to be able to accomplish with this. But that's it for now. I hope you found this video useful. I just thought I'd jump on here quick and do a quick little video on it. I've been using this a lot right now for my website, just to extend photos and scale them out. And even for my other business, I've been using this a ton to make some pretty neat adjustments. So it's just something that I thought was kind of cool. Let me know, thumbs up if you like this video, thumbs down if you didn't. And as always, thanks so much for watching these videos. Again, I can't believe that we have 4,000 subscribers right now. I'm hoping to get that up to 10K this year maybe, so tell your friends, share this video, and I will see you later. Peace.